Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to give an exclusive tour of this church in Kitengela. Follow me through this video and I'm going to give you a step-by-step follow-up and the updates on how far we've gotten in the construction. We've left provisions for doors and windows. Most part of it is actually finished. Offices for this church will actually be located at the front side. These are one of the rooms. This is actually the boardroom. Very nice plaster done there by the founders. So here we are inside the washroom of the boardroom. So this door actually leads us to the pastor's office. When it's complete, we need to introduce another window on this wall right here. This wall will actually also serve as a service desk for those coming into the church. So where we have a white chair is where we're going to have a service desk. We have nice large windows providing maximum light. This room right here, this is our kitchen. This kitchen will serve both the boardroom and also the office upstairs. I'll take you upstairs in a few and take a look at the offices there. So this is our stairs that is leading to the upper floor. These stairs leads you to the offices at the first floor level. When you land at this level, the receptionist, not yet partitioned this place. We have our founders on site and works is going on. In the next video, I'll update you on the progress. So at this level, we have the office of the Reverend, we have the office of the Assistant Pastor, and also the office of the Administrator. The stairs that are visible right now, once you are done building the walls, as you can see of the front, once you are done building the walls, you'll not be able to see that staircase. That staircase is actually for use by the congregants. And this, you can see, this is now the staircase that brought us to this level. A really nice view from up here. Follow me and to take you to the upper gallery where we'll also have other seating arrangements. Access is not through that side. I've actually used that as a shortcut because it's still not yet built. So this is the view from up here. We are going to have sitting arrangements here. The roof, the blue roof, this is the view from down here. It's actually not supposed to be there, but at the moment we decided to cover it because the construction is done in phases. So it's actually covered, but it's supposed to be a void. It's supposed to be open. When you are down here, it's just supposed to be open up to this level. Yeah, so once we are done building walls on the sides of this gallery, we're going to eliminate this roof, the blue roof. But right now it's covered so that the congregants can be able to use the church. So when you sit here, it's actually supposed to see the pulpit at the bottom. But just like I told you, right now it's not possible because it's covered. So follow me. This is the stairs that brings you to the gallery, and it's actually also the stairs that still leads you to the ground level. Our windows are supposed to be installed right there. These windows will provide the maximum lighting for the staircase. So follow me as we go down here, and I want to take you to the main church, the ground floor level. So when you come in, you're going to see these windows. These windows look this way from the outside. They're actually supposed to run from the ground level up to the up level, but because we're not done with the first floor level, we've left them at that stage. But when we progress with construction, we'll finish the windows. The window will just run from the ground level up to the first level. It will have no breakpoint like we've seen the way we've done it right now. So this is the church, the interior. As you can see the roof there. As I told you, it's supposed to be a void, but right now it's just covering. This is our pulpit. Enough space for the choir, for the band members. Yeah, so from up here, this is your view. One thing I like about the placement of the columns is that you're going to notice it's not blocking most of the views. Take a look at that view from back here. Take a look at that. That's a very nice view, the pulpit. So ukiwa mtoka nyuma, this is your view. Let's just move around and see the progress, how far we've come. So just take you around and just show you how far we've come with this project. So thank you very much, guys, for watching our video today. That was all for today. Ask that you like the video, share, subscribe, keep visiting this channel for more. We'll continue giving you more updates.